to increase interest of youngsters in physics and to provide them a platform to present their learning and skill in physics, IIPT conducts several competitions. National Graduate Physics Exam NGPE is one of them. I would like to call Professor Anil Singh on the dais to please proceed for NGPE awards proceeding. Dr. Anil Singh.
Most honorable guest on the dais, of the dais, colleagues, media person, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Dr. B.P. Tyagi, Chief Coordinator of Exam IIPT, I, Dr. Anil Kumar Singh, Coordinator NGP, reporting the programs. The National Graduate Physics Examination conducted for students studying physics at BSc, BSc Honors, Integrated MSc, when first 3 years of the degree courses in India has spread well thought of the country. It recognizes the talent at graduate level and awards them suitably. There are many more than the 500 colleges, institutes, departments are directly or indirectly involved in the concern with it. Regular calls are being received from students, guardians, and teaching professionals to know about these examinations. A good number of centers are being added almost every year. NGP 2021 was conducted on Sunday, January 24, 2021, successfully at 173 centers in the country with an enrollment of 4,113 students. After having enrolled more than 10,000 students in past 6 years, this year, in worst condition of pandemic, the centers remain at 173, but the number of students were decreasing. It is matter of pleasure that National Graduate Physics Examination could be conducted even in most adverse conditions. The numerical figure of past 7 years are given in a tabular form, and amongst the data, I like to mention that the maximum number of students participated in 2018, and the number was 13,924. And 288 centers were registered for conducting the examination. And the minimum number was in 2021, the number was 4,113 with the centers 173. I thank all concerned involved directly, indirectly with the conduct of NGP 2021. This time, students were given opportunity to enroll online examination. 3 preferences were asked, even other than their own institution. They could even enroll with their teachers in charge. The students were facilitated to opt their centers at their native place or wherever they want to appear in examination in adverse COVID-19 time. This has been appreciated by the student, guardian, and all the stakeholders of the NGP examination. This year, the questions paper were made available to the students in English, Hindi, Gujarati, and Tamil. 6 students of BSc Part 1 forwarded to NIUS Camp 2 held at HBCSE Mumbai. This year, NGP 2021 Part A objective type program was conducted with OMR and evaluated at the examination office Dehradun. The Part 2 examination was also conducted simultaneously and evaluated manually at examination office Dehradun. The list of 41 national toppers and 50 state toppers had been published in IIPT Bulletin in May 21. It also 2 lists has been uploaded in www.indapt.org.in. As a normal practice, a list of 25 students were forwarded to SN Bose National Center, Kolkata for admission to integrated PhD program in physical sciences. The potential achievement for last year is that SN Bose National Center has accepted top 25 BSc third year students from university and colleges. This resulted that nearly 14th rank students have been considered by SN Bose Center. On the basis of marks obtained in Part A, Part B, top 25 students were shortlisted for NGP Part C examination, that is examination for experimental skill. NGPE Part C had an important event in last 2 years. It had been especially exercised at 3 experiments were developed at the lab of PK College, Kuntai, Calcutta in 2020. And another 3 at Midnapur, Autonomous College, Midnapur in 2021. For NGP 21 Part C, Midnapur College was designated as a center and Dr. Makhan Lal Nand Goswami as the examination superintendent. Multiple sets of apparatus were prepared and sent by speed post, public courier, to all the examined. The procedure were demonstrated online through relevant videos for better lectures by Professor S.M. Hussain from Calcutta, followed by mock test. The complete working of examination on each one day examination was proctored by team of teachers set for that purpose. The volunteer services of the teachers involved are sincerely acknowledged. The help with the Professor S.C. Bera, the principal of Midnapur Autonomous College, Midnapur, including his own presence on the closing day, is highly appreciated. On the basis of overall performance in Part A, Part B, and Part C, 5 gold medalists for NGP 2021 were identified. The name of gold medalists are Aman Booker, Ram Jas College DU. If he is here, please stand over there. Vikram Pan, Midnapur College, Midnapur. Priyanka Samanta, Scottish Church College, Kolkata. Prapti Mukherjee, Jadavpur University, Jadavpur. Madhulika Rai, BIT Mehra, Ranchi. They were decorated to the gold medal by the chief guest just after this function. At this moment in this convention. As we all know that IFPT annual convention. Sir, abhi just a minute. I'm just reading 20. As we all know that IFPT convention in 2020 were not held due to the COVID, and the 5 gold medalists 2020 were also awarded for this gold medal ceremony today. The gold medalists are Manan Beniwal from St. Stephen College, Delhi. Jonan Fernandez, ISER Pune. Ayushi Mukherjee, St. Xavier College, Kolkata. Dev Sarvabrata Chakravarti, Ram, RKM Vidya Mandir, Belur Math. Sudeep Chakravarti from Bardwan Raj College, Bardwan. Apart from this gold medal and certificate, rupees 20,000 shall be electronically transferred to all these recipients of the gold medalists after the corresponding the mail and its account, email account and bank account. Now I call to gold medalists from year 2021. And I request to chief guest, sir, Nake sir, please decorate them with the gold medal. Aman Bouquet. Aman Bukar is doing master from IIT Delhi. Vikram Pen, Midnapur College. He is doing ICT Bangalore. Priyanka Samant, the father of Miss Priyanka Samant is here because Priyanka is joined TFIR and right now she is not possible to come here. Prapti Mukherjee. Please stay here for the group photograph. All the participants are requested. Madhulika Roy? No, she is not here. So these are the five. Now I call the gold medalist of 2020, Manan Beniwal, Jonan Fernandez. Yes. एक ही yes. Ayushi Mukherjee is not here. Dev Prabhu Chakravarti, Dev Subhra Chakravarti. Mother is Mother Dev.